Hello friends. Is your car running rough, shaking, or lacking power? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0312, it means cylinder 12 is misfiring. This can lead to poor performance, higher fuel consumption, and even long-term engine damage. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0312 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0312? P0312 stands for Cylinder 12 Misfire Detected. Your car's powertrain control module has identified that cylinder 12 is not firing properly, affecting engine efficiency. Common symptoms of P0312: check engine light on, rough idling and vibrations, loss of power and acceleration issues, higher fuel consumption, strong fuel smell from the exhaust, engine stalling or hesitation. If your car has these symptoms, it's time to inspect cylinder 12's key components. Sensor location. Where to check. To diagnose P0312, inspect the following parts: cylinder 12, spark plug, and ignition coil, located on top of cylinder 12, usually near the rear of the engine, or under the intake manifold. Crankshaft position sensor positioned near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, responsible for ignition timing. Camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head, helps in ignition and fuel injection control. Fuel injector for cylinder 12. Mounted on the intake manifold directly above cylinder 12, supplying fuel. Mass airflow sensor located between the air filter and throttle body regulates air intake. Throttle position sensor positioned on the throttle body controls air intake. Oxygen sensor, found before and after the catalytic converter, monitors fuel-air mixture. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold, located around the engine, ensuring proper air-fuel mixture. Any fault in these components can cause cylinder 12 misfire. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0312 code. First up, we have a worn-out or faulty spark plug in cylinder 12. A weak spark can lead to incomplete combustion. Next, a defective ignition coil in cylinder 12 can disrupt ignition. Another cause could be a clogged or failing fuel injector in cylinder 12, as a dirty injector restricts fuel flow. Low fuel pressure can also be a culprit, often due to a weak fuel pump or pressure regulator affecting fuel delivery. Vacuum leaks in the intake manifold or hoses can affect combustion too. A faulty mass airflow sensor can give wrong readings, causing a fuel mixture imbalance. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor failure can disrupt ignition timing. Excess carbon buildup in cylinder 12 reduces efficiency and power. And finally, PCM or wiring problems can trigger misfires. Now let's talk about how to fix the P0312 code. Step 1. Check and replace the spark plug and ignition coil for cylinder 12. Step 2. Inspect and clean the fuel injector for cylinder 12. Replace it if necessary. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to ensure the pump and regulator are working properly. Step 4. Scan and test the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor. Step 5. Look for vacuum leaks in hoses and the intake manifold. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Step 7. Check for a clogged catalytic converter or exhaust system issues. Finally, Step 8. Clear the code and test drive the car to confirm the issue is resolved. Ignoring the P0312 code can lead to serious engine problems and expensive repairs. Fixing it early ensures better performance, fuel efficiency, and engine longevity. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0277, Injector Circuit High Cylinder 3, and P0249, Turbocharger Wastegate Solenoid Circuit High. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.